Pillow, pillow. This pillow is white color. Mattress, mattress. This mattress is big. Headboard, headboard. This headboard is black. Curtains, curtains. Curtains are fabric panels used to cover windows for privacy and light control. Blinds, blinds. Blinds are window covering made of slats or vanes that can be adjusted to control light and privacy. Rug, rug. A rug is a textile floor covering, typically smaller than a carpet, used to enhance a specific area's aesthetics or warmth. Carrot, carrot. A carrot is a root vegetable known for its vibrant orange color, although other varieties can be purple, red, yellow, or white. Mushroom, mushroom. A mushroom is a fungi that grows above ground and typically has a stem, cup, and gills. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable characterized by its compact head of undeveloped white flower buds. Parsnip, parsnip. A parsnip is a root vegetable closely related to carrots and parsley, known for its cream-colored tapped root. Seaweed, seaweed. Seaweed, also known as rutabaga, is a root vegetable with a purple top and yellow bottom, belonging to the Brassica family. Rubber boots, rubber boots. Rubber boots, also known as wheels or galosh, are waterproof footwear typically made of rubber or other water-resistant materials. Hoodie, hoodie. A hoodie is a casual sweatshirt or jacket with a hood, often featuring a front pocket, and is popular for its comfortable and relaxed style. Bobble hat, bobble hat. A bobble hat is a knitted cap with a decorative ball or bubble on top, commonly worn to keep the head warm in colder weather. Coat, coat. A coat is an outer garment with sleeves and typically extending below the hips, worn for warmth, for fashion, and comes in various styles and materials. Socks, socks. Socks are garments worn on the feet to provide comfort, absorb moisture, and offer warmth, coming in various lengths and materials. Jeans, jeans. Jeans are a type of durable cotton trousers, typically with riveted pocket and seams, known for their casual and versatile style in various fits and washes. Scarf, scarf. A scarf is a length of fabric worn around the neck for warmth, fashion, or protection, and it comes in various materials, patterns, and styles. Arm-ups, arm-ups. Arm-ups are warm, padded coverings worn over the ears to provide protection from cold weather, often connected by a band that goes over the head. Mittens, mittens. Mittens are hand coverings with a single compartment for all fingers, providing warmth in cold weather by keeping fingers close together for shared body heat. Boots, boots. Boots are sturdy and often high-cut footwear designed to cover and protect the foot and ankle, available in various styles and materials for different purposes. Fleece jacket, fleece jacket. A fleece jacket is a warm and lightweight outerwear garment made from synthetic wool-like material, providing insulation and comfort in cool or cold conditions. Sweater. Sweater. A sweater is a knitted garment, typically with long sleeves, designed to provide warmth and comfort, and it comes in various styles, materials, and patterns. Gloves. Gloves. Gloves are hand covering designed to protect and provide warmth, with separate sheaths for each finger and the thumb, available in different materials and styles. Tablecloth. Tablecloth. Tablecloths are fabric coverings used to drape and protect tables, adding aesthetic appeal and often utilized during meals, celebrations, or formal events.